Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to do an unboxing. I was asked by PandaHall to review some of their products, and so this is the things that I got from them. I am so excited. I've already taken them out of the packaging. And here they are. I haven't opened anything, so there might be a little glare. I'm sorry. Let me get this stuff open and then we can not have the glare. Okay, I've gotten them open, so let's see. Let's see. So I got 4 products from them. They like extra wrap, I would say. Because it was in this, then it was in this, then the plastic, and then it's in its own container. So well packaged. But these are some bales. These are bales to use to make cabochons. And these are what they look like. And you can attach resin pieces to them, charms. So I got some of those. The product is called 100-piece Tibetan, I don't know, style alloy glue on flat pad bale, leaf shape pendant, charms connector hanger. But I'll have the link to the products in the description box below, so if you're interested in any of them, you'll have an easy time finding them. I also got me some jewelry making pliers. Let's see, and then they were packaged in here. It says it's easy grip, non-slip PVC handle. Perfect for jewelry making, premium steel body. Premium. It's not suitable for children under 12. So those are the jewelry making pliers that I received. They're iron round nose pliers, Dodger blue. So it pictures 2, but it only comes with 1. And it is noted that is 1 set. They should say 1 in a set. It just says 1 set. But this, and then I also got these wooden beads, and see again, in the plastic, in the PandaHall packaging, and then in one of these cool containers. I like these containers. But yeah, so look at the colors. But they're just wooden beads. They are called 330-piece, 10-color, 7mm dyed environmental round wood beads for jewelry craft making. So 330 pieces. Oh. I think just because of the heat and stuff, they might be sticking a little to each other. But those are them. So I got those to make. I'm going to make dangles and charms, I think. That's what I got this all for. And then this was plastic shrink wrapped as well. And it comes in this cool container as well. But look, they're individually packaged. So like I said, well packaged. So I'm going to open these up and dump them in because it's killing my... But these are called 100-piece baking painted crackle glass round bead with iron wire and bead cap for jewelry making. And I like them because they're already ready. So you can cheat a little. They already have their hooky on them, so they're ready to be dangled off of whatever I make. But yeah, so I've seen lots of people haul some PandaHall things and do some projects. Let me know if you visit their website and you find any products that you're interested in. I can do some reviews of those as well. But hope you're having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I do want to grow my channel. Please like the video if you do like it. Please consider sharing it with a crafty friend. So this is my PandaHall unboxing. Stay tuned because I will have more videos coming from PandaHall with projects that I make with this stuff. So those are the beads that are already capped. And I should have 100 pieces of those. So for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!